Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can find a viral SHEIN products on Taobao using a photo. So if you love SHEIN styles but want them cheaper or straight from the source, here's how you can find any product from SHEIN on Taobao using just a picture. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply screen the SHEIN item from TikTok, Pinterest, or the SHEIN app itself. Make sure it's a clear photo of the product. Once done, open up your Taobao application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, come to the home screen and then tap on the camera-like icon. Inside here, you will then be able to click a photo or upload it from your gallery by enabling the access. Once you have uploaded it, Taobao will instantly pull up similar identical products, often from the exact supplier SHEIN uses. Tap on a listing you like and you can simply use a Google Translate or Chrome to read descriptions, check sizing, and browse a review from the local buyers. Taobao does not ship globally, but agents like Superbuy and 42 Agents do. Just copy the link, paste it on their website, and then they'll order, inspect, and ship it to your door. Now you can ship trending SHEIN styles, save money, and even find pieces before they go viral. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.